Hello friends, welcome you all with a new experiment, with a very interesting experiment. Today we are going to learn about intermolecular space. Okay, so what is intermolecular space? The space between the molecules of any matter, that is called intermolecular space. We have already learned about matter. Okay, matter have three states: solid, liquid and gas. Okay, solid has less intermolecular space or no intermolecular space, liquid has little more than solid, and gas has maximum amount of intermolecular space. Okay, so today we are going to do some activity regarding intermolecular space of a matter. Okay, solid, liquid and gas. Okay, so today we are going to do that activity with some used materials that is easily available at home. You can easily do these activities with used materials that is easily available at your home. Okay, so I have some things with me. Okay, that for solid substance you can take a wooden block. You can say like this: I have wooden block with me. Okay, you can see this is a wooden block, so you can use this, or any other solid material you can use. Okay, anything, a ball, glass, anything else you can use. Okay, for liquid, water is there, so I have water with me. Okay, so you can use water, no problem. Okay, and for air or gas, so air is there everywhere. We will use these three materials to show you what is intermolecular space. Okay, so in solid, so we are taking this wooden block. Okay, in this solid substance, okay, you can see if I wanted to put my finger inside this solid material, okay, it will not go inside. Why it is not going inside? Because in the solid material, in this solid substance, the molecules are tightly packed, so I'm not getting any space to go inside. Okay, so that's why my finger is not going inside. I'm pressing harder. Okay, then also it will not go inside. Okay, so that means the intermolecular space between the molecules of this solid substance is very less, or we can say there is no such space. Okay, so there is very less, they are tightly packed together, molecules are tightly packed, so there is no space so that we can enter anything inside this. Okay, if I talk about this liquid, okay, so if I put my finger inside, it will go inside very easily. So that means it has some intermolecular space, so that I can very easily insert my finger inside this water. Okay, now if I talk about gas, so how much amount of intermolecular space is there inside gas? Okay, so what is if I'm moving freely in air? Okay, my hand is moving freely in air. Okay, I can freely moving my every parts of my body, anything in air. Okay, why? Because it has maximum amount of intermolecular space. The molecules are loosely packed, molecules are away from each other. Okay, they are very far from each other. That's why the space is more and we can easily move in air. Now we will do some activities so that we can easily prove that whether intermolecular space is there or not. Okay, so if I talk about solid, I want to press my hand inside, it will not go. If I put any liquid on it, whether that liquid will go inside or not, that we will see. Okay, now I have, you can take any color. I have a color with me. Okay, this color, I will put this color on the top of it. See, it's not moving, it's on the top of it. Okay, so it is not going inside, it is not mixing with it. Okay, so that it shows that solid does not have any intermolecular space or minimum intermolecular space, or we can say almost no intermolecular space, no space between the molecules of a solid substance. Okay, now if I talk about liquid, so now you can see on glass. Okay, now I'm pouring some water into it. You can see water is there. Now we will add one drop of color. You can use any color like food color, watercolor, or any type of color you can use. Okay, now we will add one drop of color. Just observe it very carefully what is happening. You can see the color is randomly moving and it is mixing with the water. this color is mixing with the water. Why? Because water has intermolecular space, and in that intermolecular space this color is entering into that space. Okay, so that's why it is totally thoroughly mixed with water. Okay. Now you have seen it is completely mixed in water. So the color, the molecules of the color has entered into the intermolecular space of water. So it has thoroughly mixed in water. So have you enjoyed? You can try it at your home and enjoy. Another experiment to show intermolecular space in liquid. Okay, that will take again 1 glass of water. Okay, and little amount of salt we will take. Okay, and this salt we will pour in water and we will try to dissolve it. Let's watch. Now we will take 1 glass of water. Okay, glass and water I have poured into it. Okay, now what we will do, we will add a little amount of salt into it. Okay, and we will add, we'll stir it till it totally get mixed up. So now you can see here the water is clear and there is no salt particles you can see, because all the salt particles is been dissolved in water. Why this happened? Because the molecules of salt entered into the intermolecular space of water. So it has got dissolved and there is no molecules of salt or no particles of salt left behind. Okay, this is one experiment, you can do it at your home. So have you found it interesting? So have you seen it is completely dissolved in water. Why it is completely dissolved in water? Because molecules of this salt going inside the space between the molecules of water. Okay, so that's why it is getting dissolved. It is totally thoroughly mixed with the water. Okay, that's the thing. So all of you have understood what is intermolecular space and you have seen the activities. Okay, so try it at your home and have fun while doing these activities. Okay, thank you very much. Okay.